Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel and 30 days of sketches. Today's sketch is this one right here, which is a 2-page layout, just like all of the sketches for this round of 30 days sketches. This was created by Cindy Brown, and I am going to do one side, and I'm actually going to be doing a layout with this scrapping reflection stencil. This is a prototype stencil. I don't know how it's going to work, so I'm going to try it out on this layout, and if it works, we'll put it in the shop. If it doesn't work, we'll do something else. But this is the sketch one more time. This is the photo and the stencil, so let's see what I can do. Alright guys, so I'm starting out with a couple of papers. One is a 49 in Market, and the other is this striped lime green paper, almost a lime green paper that I used previously. I am actually going to cut the 49 Market paper in half and then place my burst stencil basically over top of it. Now, like I said, this is a prototype stencil and I like it. I'm happy with it. It will be going in the shop. I also trimmed down that 49 in Market paper because I want to have this black border around the outside of the paper. Now, I know me and I know how I think, and I definitely would feel that the sunbursts, even though they have an end, would just be kind of flying off the page. And this black border actually kind of contains it. Now, you might be thinking, you're a maniac, and I might be, but it's the way my brain works, and I gotta make the scrapbook layouts make sense to my brain. Also, side note, when I worked at Target, I called people maniacs all the time. All the time. Worked at Hobby Lobby, called people maniacs. Working at Starbucks, I really haven't called anybody a maniac. Except for the one woman that was high that walked up to our drive-through window. She was a maniac. Yeah. Okay. So the reason why I was talking about this being a prototype stencil is because the sunbursts are not exactly vertical and straight when I lined it up with the two vertical papers. I'm not stressing about that. To me, it doesn't make that big of a difference, but I do like the way that this sunburst is working. Now, when I first am putting on my glitter glaze, I was taking it all the way to the end of the burst, and then I would have those lines at the end. And then I thought, you know what, I should just kind of bring the glitter glaze down and not have such a sharp ending. So I changed my mind after I did like the first couple bursts up there. This is a Brutus Monroe glitter glaze. I love Brutus Monroe glitter glazes. They are my absolute favorite. Actually, Brutus Monroe glazes in general are my favorite. I have a whole 3-tier cart of just Brutus Monroe. That's a lie. That is a dirty, dirty lie. There is one thing of Nouveau glitter on there. One thing. But everything else is Brutus Monroe. So sorry, I don't mean to be a dirty, dirty liar. But anyway, I do have an affiliate link down there. For some reason, sometimes the affiliate link works, sometimes it doesn't. So I appreciate it if you try to do the affiliate link. Whew, I don't usually do voiceovers back to back to back, and you can tell because my tongue is getting all twisted. So yeah, but BrutusMonroe.com. This is a photo of the D33, or Club 33. I almost said D23, which is a completely different club. The Club 33 emblem. Now, remember how I was talking the other day about how I take pictures of things that our family likes, even though if the pictures aren't necessarily for them. So Alex likes Moana, so I took a good amount of pictures of the Moana floats instead of just like one. Christopher has a fascination with Club 33. It is hella expensive, right? It's like, I don't know what it is even right now. It's been a hot minute since I looked. I think it's like 25 grand to get in and like $15,000 a year to stay in it. Yeah, I put our names on the list a long time ago. But honestly, I have no idea if we're still on it anymore. It's been a hot second since I called and checked. But yeah, you got to prove that you make money and that you can pay for it and all. And I just am like, man, that would be so much fun. Not that I ever think our name will be called off the list or we will ever spend that kind of money. Got to win the lottery. And then, you know what? You got to play to win. And we don't play, so we're not going to win. Anyway, I am making this layout kind of simple. Just based on that one side of the sketch. So obviously you see where I got the sunburst. And you can kind of see the straight lines at the end of the sunburst up at the top of the page and how they're kind of feathered everywhere else. I like the feathered look a lot better, for sure. So now I'm just going to put on these letters and numbers to get Club 33. I've got this Paradise Found sticker that's going to layer over top of the photograph. Because like I said, it is like Christopher's fascination with expensive Disney things. I mean, I like expensive Disney things too. Would I ever spend that money? I want to say no. I hope one day I have that kind of money to be able to spend, and then I'll say yes. I don't know. A girl can dream. Okay. So I am going to put some fun things over top of the sunburst. I've got a variety of stars. I've got those Vicky Bouton stars. I got some of those Freckle Fawn puffy stars. And then I decided that Paradise Found looked a little bit better down here with the title. And then I put a puffy word phrase up top there. And I don't remember what it is. And I can't see it on my screen as I'm doing this voiceover. So it'll be a surprise to you and me. And then I decided to bring in rhinestones because why not? Everybody needs a little sparkle in their lives. And I'm just going to wrap up this sheet of rhinestones, which makes me happy. I love it when I finish off a sheet of something or end a roll of washi. That gives me such a little thrill in my soul. Okay, so I'm going to get those on there. And then after that's done, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to do anything else to this layout. Is this a cheating off of a 2-page sketch? No. You want to know why it's not cheating when it's a 2-page sketch? Because I got some inspiration from that sketch, right? I was inspired, I liked what I saw, and I created something that I am happy with. So I feel good about the sketch. So don't ever feel bad if you're like, like why am I not doing both sides? Or I really like this scrapbooker, or I really think this scrapbooker is amazing and I love what she does and I feel guilty because I'm not using both pages of her sketch. Don't feel guilty. Okay? You got inspiration from it. Just take it. Just take the inspiration. All right, guys, that is going to do it for this layout. Check out the 30 Days of Sketches playlist, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.